Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick crafty haul for you guys. This is just some things that I picked up from Brenda. I'll have her link down below. She has an Instagram crafty store. You guys know I've purchased from her a million times. So I picked up a few items that she had. And you guys, I've been wanting these little succulent minis for what seems like forever. Flower Craft Girl made me this super cute little kind of like springy box filled with all the little cactuses, and you guys, I've been obsessed ever since, and I never found any of the cactuses, so Brenda had some laying around, and of course I snagged them up. So let me show you guys which ones I got. I got the barrel cactus one. It's a 6-piece, super cute. If you guys want to find this at your store, the number is 202-0640. I think these are from Tuesday Morning, or yeah, Tuesday Morning. And this one is bunny ear cactus color 6-piece. You guys, look how cute these are. And the number for this one is 202-0643. Adorable. And then there's these. It's the cactus yard color 6-piece, and it's 202-0645. They are adorable, and I cannot wait to play with these. So I got those 3. I never got my hands on this when it came out, and I've seen it on scrapbook.com, but you guys, $7 for this, and then pay shipping. It's almost like paying 12 bucks for it. So I never purchased it. And she had one laying around. I posted on Instagram that I was looking for one, and she had one, so of course I got it from her. She found hers at Tuesday Morning. And then I also got an all heart paper pad from her, just as a backup. You guys have seen this a million times, and I love it. So now I have a backup for that. But that's it, you guys. Super quick, super fast little crafty haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.